A few miles south I peer out to sea. Blankly they say in stories, awaiting me darling's return to me. 'Tis screeved in limestone and carved into the minds of people who are in my way, like the stone masons that built the castle at the heart of my town. I donner along the gravel beach, in and around where my love drowned. I cannae make footprints anymore as I float abeen the moving shore. When alive, my mind brimmed and bustled with wild salmon and brown trout, like the gigs racing in summer, the fancy dresses and teddy bears picnics. I couldn't ever do with her. I explore the southernmost Antrim Glen, where armies once gathered for battle. Knew the Dalriada festival thrives with cultural heritage, and I admire the bridges been built with music. In winter, the green ground is covered with snow, and the Bridge End Tavern invites us in with its nightly glow. Tucked inland, the forest takes me into her smells. Blue bells, wild bird cherries, and willows way dark leaves, and acres of majestic trees. Me love what he cherished every yen of these, if she was still walking here with me. I think of her every second I donner this earth, when I float below the Barbican Bridge, or see the marina lit at night, way hunters with coloured lights, and its incomprehensible charm. And because of this, my love letter changes, frae her to him, and to my eternal soul in Glenarm.